Hello guys, greetings to you wherever you're watching me from. This is a step by step on how to replace your screen on Techno BF6. This is how to replace your screen on Techno BF6. So guys, first of all, you have to remove the screen, the SIM tray. It is called SIM tray here. You get it off, then look for a nylon and put it back in a nylon so that you will not misplace it. It's very, very important. Then you open the phone. You get your screwdrivers and then you remove the nuts. This thing is really gonna help you. You have to get your screwdrivers. Always have these tools at home in case of any emergency. As you can see, I'm removing the nuts from the phone. And then you have to be mindful of the fingerprints. Press it down before opening the top cover of the phone, see, so that you not cut the fingerprint. Then you unclip the screen and the battery. And you remove the screen. And also remember to open the down panel area of the phone so that you can unclip the screen flex from the down panel of the phone. Remove the screen. And after removing the screen, guys, always remember to clean the front side of the phone. It is very, very important. Cleaning the front side of the phone will help your screen to balance properly. You understand? So that when after applying gum and then putting your rubber band, the screen will not have any crack, it will not break. So you have to do this one. This one is very, very important. You have to clean it properly in order to remove the old gums. Then after that, what the next thing you have to do is you put sellotape on this place I'm putting now. Look at this place I'm putting the sellotape right now. You can see it. Put the sellotape there. Put the sellotape there. You're putting the sellotape because you do not want the IC on the screen to get in touch with the panel, because with the sorry not the panel, rather I beg your pardon, the panel, not the panel, the carcass of the phone, because this place is actually iron. Look at it, there are ICs on the screen, you see, so you have to cover that place in order for it not to get in contact with themselves. Then you put back the screen. You have to put the screen first and then test it before you apply gum to be very sure that it's working properly. Make sure to arrange your the flex of your screen properly. Then clip back the flex of the phone, which controls the charging ports. Then you put back your battery. Put back your battery. And then turn it on. Always remember to turn on the phone. Be patient until the phone turns on. You understand? In order for you to test the screen properly, you have to test the screen properly before applying gum. So that if it does not work well, you change and then get another one. Do not rush to apply gum when you've not tested the screen. You have to on it like this. You wait. You have to be patient. Wait until it turns on. You see, when it turns on, you operate it. As you can see, it's working properly. The screen is working properly. So you apply your gum now. You have to apply this gum so that the screen will not pull out while using it. So after putting everything, you have to put back your those stuffs. Put back the screws before you cover it. Understand? Put back the screws before you cover it, and then you put gum on. You put your rubber band. So when you put this rubber band right now, guys, you have to leave it for some times. Let's say 30 minutes time before you remove the rubber, or 1 hour time before you remove the rubber, so that the rubber can help you clip the screen properly. By the time you remove it, it might have dry.